how to fix Instagram messages not sending. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram messages, then first you can open up your settings, go for apps and notifications, and now you can go for see all apps, and then you can open up your Instagram. And after opening, you can go for storage and cache, and then you can go for clear cache, which is on the right side, or you can also go for clear storage. But if you don't have the information like your password, your email address, if you don't have that information, then don't tap on clear storage, because after clearing your storage, your all the information will be deleted and you need to log into your account. So if you don't remember your login credentials or login details, then don't tap on clear storage, just tap on clear cache and your problem might be fixed. Or you can open up your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And then if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update and update your Instagram application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix, then you can hold on to that power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you will get a restart option, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.